DIYers, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today, referencing a 3.0 liter Mercruiser / GM inboard engine, and we just recently replaced the alternator. And in the event that your alternator sounds like this, or soon you will see, it is definitely 100% no ifs, ands, buts about it. Time to replace it. Let's get started. As you can see, alternator fully removed. I want to point out two things: the sound of the actual alternator as I rotate the pulley and fan area, as well as pointing out any rust or pitting taking place on the pulley itself. That's an issue. However, to the sound, you can hear it. And at high engine output, or RPM, this thing was making some unpleasant sounds. And again, now to the pulley itself. If you've got any rust, corrosion, pitting that is going to interfere or damage the belt, you want to scrape that clean during the time you replace your alternator belt, when you are not actually replacing your alternator, or replace the pulley, or in our case, replace the entire alternator as a whole. To the brand new OEM Quicksilver brand or Mercury brand alternator, DIYers, stay away from aftermarket and automotive alternators. Down below in the comments and description will be a link to this Quicksilver or Mercury OEM alternator. A little pricey, but definitely worth the money. Again, stay away from aftermarket. There's the brand new alternator, the wires and bullet connectors, as you see right there. Now to a quick comparison of the old on the left and brand new on the right. DIYers, very important. Make sure you order the exact replacement part as far as volts and amps. And we have a 12 volt 55 amp, as you see, marine. However, first again, a quick comparison of the sound and condition of the pulley. Much nicer. However, here is the OEM replacement Quicksilver V belt, or some may call it the alternator belt, serpentine belt, or drive belt. Down below in the comments and description will be a link to purchase this. DIYers, do not buy aftermarket.